Let's create a stunning gold material for our object. We'll name it gold and apply it to our object. To begin, open the Material Editor and navigate to the General tab. Choose the Gold Old Rough option to achieve a perfect gold material. Now, let's add some dirt and grunge to give it an authentic look. Create a new material called Oxide, which will serve as our oxide material surrounding the main gold material. Enter the oxide material and adjust the IOR value, roughness, and base color to create an oxide-like appearance. Experiment with these settings until you're satisfied with the result. Next, let's create a temporary material called Test. Next, let's dive into an exciting feature called the curvature map. This powerful tool allows us to enhance the realism of our object and bring it to life. Inside the test material, we will explore the capabilities of the curvature map. By adding the curvature map to our material, we can extract information about the surface curvature of our object. It provides us with valuable data on areas that are convex or concave, essentially creating a depth map for our material. To start, set the convex part of the curvature map to white. This is important because we will use it as a mask later on. By highlighting the convex regions in white, we can leverage this information to add specific effects or treatments to those areas. It could be reflections, wear and tear, or any other visual enhancement that can make our object appear more natural. Conversely, let's black out the concave surfaces. Since we don't want to apply any effects or alterations to these areas, setting them to black ensures that they remain untouched. Now, here comes the exciting part. As we work with the curvature map, it's crucial to experiment and fine-tune the settings until we achieve the desired outcome. Finding the right balance is essential. Adjust the parameters to control the intensity and influence of the curvature effect on our material. By carefully manipulating these settings, we can create a sense of depth, realism, and detail on our object. The curvature map provides us with the ability to emphasize the natural contours and imperfections that exist in real-world objects. This attention to detail adds authenticity and believability to our materials, making them visually compelling. So, let's take our time to explore the various options and configurations available with the curvature map. However, the curvature appears too smooth. To make it more distinct, we can add a mixture shader. Within the mixture shader, incorporate a new map and change the mix operation to multiply. Observe the result on our material. If the texture size is too small, let's introduce a UV randomizer and increase the tiling. This adjustment should enhance the overall appearance. However, if the texture still doesn't meet our expectations, we can apply a color correction effect to fine-tune the brightness until we achieve the desired outcome. Now, let's return to the gold material and include a roughness map in the roughness channel. Additionally, we can increase the tiling of the map by using a randomizer. Once again, if needed, employ a color correction tool to refine the map until you're satisfied. Repeat the same process with the bump map to enhance the surface details. To create a layered material, add a new material called Mixed Gold and apply it to our object. Inside the Mixed Gold material, use the Oxide material as layer 1. Then, copy the shader we created in the test material and apply it as a mask for the Oxide material within the Mixed Gold material. Additionally, add the gold material as the base material. For testing purposes, we can include a clay test material as the base material to evaluate the results. Adjust the mask further to achieve a superior outcome. Lastly, finalize the material by applying the gold as the base material and add any additional touches to perfect the overall appearance. Prepare to be amazed as we reveal the astounding evolution of our gold material. Behold the breathtaking final result that showcases our journey from a simple-looking gold to a perfect, natural gold. Feast your eyes on the remarkable transformation that has brought this material to life, showcasing its unparalleled beauty and realism. Now, as you witness the final result, marvel at the meticulous craftsmanship that has elevated our creation to new heights of excellence. Ready to dive into the captivating world of 3D motion and design? Subscribe to Motion Time for a daily dose of awe-inspiring visuals, motion design tips, and mind-bending tricks. Join our vibrant community, and let's create some extraordinary 3D magic together. Hit that subscribe button now and unlock a world of endless creativity and excitement.